Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Bitcoin report for Wednesday, August 24. I want to start with the Nasdaq because I want to draw out two particular counts here. So one of the counts is that we've got this here as an A and a B and 5 waves up here for the C wave to make wave A, so a nice ABC, and then we come down for an A wave, a B wave and a C wave here, and then we go up for this C wave, so we have an A, B and C. That's one pathway. The other pathway is that we can bring this in over here and have this as the ABC pattern here and put wave B here, and in this case we come down for wave 1 here and wave 2 coming back here and going down for wave 3, so we come down deeper in this move through here for this. So they're the two pathways. There is one positive pathway left where we can look at this as 1 here and 2 here and 3 here and 4 here, still with a little ABC for wave 4 and then go up for wave 5, and that would be positive at that point. But it is appearing that we're getting 5 waves down in this particular move here. So let's just go to the 100 tick chart and just have a look at that little area there, and we want to apply this to Bitcoin. So this is the move down on the Nasdaq. So we've got wave A over here, it's 100 ticks, and we're looking down here for wave A here, or we could label this wave 1 here. So we're going to, once we finish these 5 waves, 1, 2 here, and all the way down for the 3rd, 4th, 5th down here. We'll go into that too much here, it's not that important at this point in time, but then we'll get this rally here, so we'll get some sort of ABC rally, and then we're going to look to short at this point here, because we'll either be wave 1 or we'll be wave B, and we'll be coming down. Now when we come down, we'll be looking at being either a wave 3 coming down or a wave C coming down. So as a wave C, we'll come down as wave C, and then we'll go up that way, and then that will be the larger B wave at this point. So an A, B, C here for that, and then we go up, or otherwise we come down for a 3rd wave, or we come down much faster and longer and so on. We come down here, but in both cases we're going to look to short here, because this is the pathway Bitcoin is going to go as well. So if we take this scenario here of, there is one hope of one more move up here as a wave 3 here, remember, and then a small ABC for wave 4 and then moving up, but it's not looking that good. It's still coming, it's still possible, and we'll keep an eye on that, but these are the two main bearish pathways. So even when we come up to here, we go up to a C wave up here, and then we come down again. So if we take that scenario and look at Bitcoin for a moment on the bearish side, yes, we can look at Bitcoin here and we can have this as wave 1 up, all of this as wave 1 here and a wave 2 happening here, right? That's possible, but it's looking a little bit thin on the ground. So then the other simple count to count this down here is wave 1 here, wave 2 here, 5 waves down for wave 3, back for wave 4 here, and then down for wave 5. So wave 5, if I took this distance here and added 61.8%, it will take us down to about 15,000 at that point, roughly speaking. So there's two pathways to go down. Now it would be the same as the Nasdaq as we just explained, so I'll just open this up a little bit, and in this case we can look at this as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 coming down. So this would be the little an A wave, a B wave and a C wave here, and then we go up for wave 4 here. So that would be let me just go back to the Nasdaq here. So for this to finish off here in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here to finish off, right? Then move up here, down a little bit, and then further up here. That would be this count here. It would be that we've coming down from the A wave here, nearly down for 5 waves, then we go up for the B wave, down for the C wave, and then we go up here further, and then we go down. Okay, so that would be that pattern. We go down, we get 5 waves down here, and if we get 5 waves down here, then we'll get a rally in 3 waves, and then we're going to come down for a C wave. So an A, B, C here for a bigger B wave. So it'd be an A wave here, a B wave here, and a C wave up here for wave 4, and then we would come down at that point. So it's either that way, or we have 5 waves down here, we have a correction here as an A, B, C, and then we come down through here. But in both cases we'll come down. If we have 5 waves here, then we're going to have a correction and then another 5 at this point. So we'll come down and test these lows here. So that's the pathway. So the idea with this would be to, if we do get 5 waves here, which we can pretty much just map out here for a moment on this one, we can probably use a smaller degree, so I'll probably change this, but it doesn't really matter for the time being. 1, 2, 3, 3 and a bracket, and then this would be the A, B, C for the 4th here, so we need the 4th wave to come in. And then the 5th wave down here. So if we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, then we'll look for an A, B, C here, and then we can look to short at that point. We'll go into more detail in this short position here, and we'll look to short that because it could turn into that. So that's it really. That's the bearish picture for Bitcoin at the moment, and that would be in line with the Nasdaq. So it's not too far-fetched, you know. So all we can do now is just observe it. So we'll watch this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here, and then we'll watch this ABC pattern here. We'll be able to short it at the 50-60%. It may just take you down a little while to somewhere, you know, maybe lower to 19 or 18 or something. I'm not sure there. Or we're going to get a 3rd wave coming down at that point. There's a good case for both, you know. And yeah, so that's it really. And this is a pretty common pattern across, you know, across markets really. So you can see it. You'll see it in different forms everywhere. So I can just see, I'm looking at a chart now, which is just the health fund here, the health ETF. So we've got a nice A wave here, B wave here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So in this case, for example, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we get 5 waves here, which is likely, then we're going to get a B wave and this move here. So we'll either get to here somewhere, and then we'll go up for one more move up here, and then we'll go down, or we'll basically just continue down at that point. So that B wave can put over there, then all this comes an ABC for the B wave here, an ABC for the B wave here, and then up and down. So they're the 2 patterns really that, you know, that are across the market, that are quite dominant in whatever sort of, you know, in most of the stock sector that you're looking at. And Wall Street is certainly treating Bitcoin as a technology product. So yeah, that's that really. So I think for hodlers, it's probably a good idea to, at this point, to think of a way to hedge your coins at this point. Alrighty, thanks. Cheers.